Okay, today we're going to take a look at one of my favorite Zippo series. And this is the James Bond line. Zippo makes quite a few of the James Bond themed lighters, and this just says James Bond. It is a genuine Zippo made in the USA in Bradford, PA. And it has a special insert, 007 insert. And here is, this is actually the ThunderBall. Sean Connery in ThunderBall. Now this ThunderBall first came out in, I believe it was 1964. And it was the fourth James Bond movie. The three that were ahead of it were, let's see, Dr. No, From Russia with Love, Goldfinger, and then we got ThunderBall. So this is on a mirror finish. It's on a mirror finish, and it was made in, looks like L of 19. L of 19. That is the end of last year. ThunderBall is a pretty good James Bond movie. Not my favorite. From the 60s. My favorite, of course, was Goldfinger. It's got a really good sound. Steel insert. Lights up nice. Let's do a drop test on ThunderBall. So there you go. ThunderBall with Sean Connery. From 1964. We're going to put him right at the end of this row. And I would say Sean Connery and James Bond definitely deserve a little cowbell. And maybe even a little more cowbell. Knuckle bump.